Most people think they're working hard, but they're running in circles. Every year they earn money, and every year they stay in the same place. The question is, why do some people escape poverty while others stay trapped forever? From childhood, most people are trained to become workers. Study hard, get a job, work for 40 years, repeat. But nobody teaches money. Nobody teaches investing. Nobody teaches freedom. Poor people don't become poor overnight. They become poor daily. Small purchases, small distractions, small bad habits. Most people spend money trying to look rich. Rich people spend money becoming rich. Wealth follows value. The more problems you solve, the more money you earn. Skills become income. Income becomes investments. Investments become freedom. The biggest difference between rich and poor is how they use time. Everyone has 24 hours, but not everyone invests them. The rich plant seeds. The poor eat them. You don't need luck. You don't need perfect timing. You need discipline. You need patience. You need action. Most people stay poor because they never change. Will you? Comment wealth if you are ready to break the cycle.